What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. A little bit different video today. Today we aren't actually working on anything. We are actually saying goodbye to the Audi A6 wagon. Got this car about 2 years ago for about $1,200 from a good friend. It had a ton of issues with it, and I just got to make this video to shout this car out. This car has been phenomenal. I love the wagon. You can fit so much in here, more than the Q5 even that we have. And this car has just been great ever since I've had it, minus the maintenance that I had to do on it. But other than that, it's got new tires, new brakes. We've gone through so much stuff on the channel. I've gotten over 100,000 views on this car just from doing simple things like oil flushes or other items such as timing chain tensioners or spark plugs or all kinds of maintenance on this car. So if you're new to the channel and just seen this video and you like working on these cars or have this car, check out all the other videos that I have on the channel for this, because I have a bunch surrounding this vehicle right here. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm actually sad to see this car go. I really like this car. I have a big move coming up, and so I just decided to get rid of it. I have another one I picked up in the driveway that you guys have probably seen on my channel, and I decided it was time to move on to something different. I've made so many videos on this car and it's been here for so long. But the reason I wanted to make a video on this car is just because it really brought me so much joy and love on this channel, just to be able to help people and show people what I'm working on. So I got to give credit to this car, and I will miss it because this car is an incredibly rare spec to find. And if you can find one of these, tag it in the comments below, because I've been looking to compare price and I cannot find one of these with this spec pretty much anywhere. It's very rare. Sure, you can find one, but it's pretty rare. Check this out. This car has the beautiful brown interior, and one of the rare things, believe it or not, is actually having a black headliner. A lot of the models do not have black headliner. My other A6, the headliner is gray and it's hideous. And then I just love this color of the seats. It has front and rear heated seats. Everything is just in immaculate condition on this car, and it's really hard to find an A6 wagon. This has way more space than the Q5, way more than the A4. The cargo space is incredible. So I just wanted to make this quick video to shout this beautiful car out. I'm selling her, and I know one day I might regret it, but it's going to a really good home. The guy who's picking it up is really diligent about all his work and making sure that it's good too. So I'm happy it's going to a good owner. Someone's going to appreciate it, and it's on to better and new things for me. So I'm excited to see what car I fall into next, because the other one I got, I'm flipping as well. It's just a quick flip. This one I didn't intend to keep as long as I did. This car actually made me fall in love with Audis. I didn't drive Audis before this thing, and I got to give it to this car because, man, what a joy it's been to own. So a little bit different video today, obviously. We're not doing any how-tos or anything like that. Just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into what I got going on and stuff. I got a big move coming, so I'm selling this car and getting ready to move a few states away. So if you guys like videos like this or other Audi stuff, or if you guys like supporting me, just smash a like for me. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys, or knowing where you're from, or just learning about you guys. It's super cool to me. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. I always answer you guys. And I got a bunch of videos coming out on the 4.2. We got carbon cleaning videos, all kinds of stuff being redone on that car. So check out the other videos coming soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Till next video, peace.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.